So starting the test drive in this Corsair here, so far the ride has been very nice. The platform this rides on, similar to the Escape, is very smooth, especially if you do everything right in terms of the suspension. But wheelbase is perfect, I think, for something that's considered to be a real baby Navigator. But it's just easy to drive, easy to handle. And with a 2-liter turbo, it's actually quite swift under the right conditions, especially in the Excite drive mode. Now here in the Conserve drive mode, still has quite a bit of pep to it, just getting up to speed, just under light throttle. But yeah, I mean, the ride is just really nice, a really refined drive. Now this road is newer, so it's not as rough as the interstate's going to be when we take it on that portion, but so far, I mean, it's very nice. And I like just the overall layout of the interior, just having the screen. It's kind of up and out of the way. It does kind of have that tablet in the center stack feel, but everything here is so empty and open. I don't feel like everything is kind of in my way that I could hit it or hit my wrist on or whatever. It's still a very clean look. And honestly, in the Conserve mode, I like how if you come out of a corner, you still have throttle. It's not like an eco mode would normally be, where it almost limits you, but you're just not, it's almost like it's not shifting as much. It uses the turbo more. So you're not getting the maximum output, but you're still getting something. You're not getting the same no matter where you put the pedal down, and I really like that. And I think the drive mode makes sense for that. All the Lincoln drive modes, really, if you think about Excite, it just makes it more peppy. The Conserve, it's a conservative drive mode, but you're still in a 2-liter turbocharged vehicle. But the sound acoustics, especially because I know it's windy out right now, I'm very impressed by how nice the sound acoustics are in here. It's relatively quiet. And it's a nice drive here, especially on a nice day like today. And where this is a smaller vehicle, I like that it's easier to take around corners and things of that nature. I don't feel like it's about to flip or it's about to squeal tires. It's just very, very nice all the way around. Yeah, this thing's definitely quick. I put it in Excite mode and it just started pulling. So we're gonna see if we can get enough space to do a nice pull getting on the interstate here. Surprisingly, nobody's behind me. Here we go. Yeah, it's just so quick. Of course, I was going downhill. It's a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, but still pretty nice power output. Now I want to give one more thanks to Lincoln of Franklin for allowing me to review this Corsair today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now, for the money, I will say this Corsair is a pretty good deal because this is under $42,000 sticker price. You get heated seat, dual zone automatic climate controls. Most importantly for me in this segment, to have the lane centering system and the adaptive cruise is a big plus, because a lot of even the more basic vehicles, it's hard to get all of that in the lowest trim level. So the fact that this is as cheap as it is makes it that much more of a bargain, in my opinion. And not just a luxury bargain, just a bargain in general. I mean, I don't know of Ford Edges that are this equipped for the money. Now, this is a smaller version, you know, again, more like the Escape, but still, I think it's pretty impressive. But yeah, I mean, a good vehicle for the money, just solid overall, especially if you want something that's a bit more luxurious, that looks really nice, but you're not wanting to break the bank. Definitely make sure you take a look at the 2025 Lincoln Corsair.